latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Tara Sutaria made her big Bollywood debut with 2019 release Student of the Year 2 along with Tiger Shroff and Ananya Pandey, and has won everyone's heart with her performance in the movie. Well, we have come across celebrities helping the poor and showing concern to the common people amid the nationwide lockdown. And now we have another celeb who has come up with a message for the citizens. Yes, the government, doctors, researchers have revealed that senior citizens and kids below the age of 10 and people with low immunity are most vulnerable to COVID-19. Tara Sutaria also came forward to urge senior citizens to be very cautious amid the nationwide lockdown.
I hope कि आप सब घर पर हैं और safe हैं. The world is going through a very challenging time right now. Senior citizens everywhere are the most vulnerable and the most at risk, and I think that we can really do our bit by helping them stay protected and stay safe.
Tara also made it a point to mention that senior citizens and others buying medicines and essential items online should adhere to government's guidelines.
Building and in my neighborhood, we're all taking turns to shop online and buy the elderly groceries, medicines, and other essentials. And if you choose to do the same, I would just like to request all of you to adhere to the government guidelines and regulations. And we'd also love to hear your stories.
The actor also asked people share extra love and stay together amid the fight against COVID-19.
I believe that it needs our love more than ever before, because after all, nothing is as infectious as love. Thank you guys for listening. See you on the other side.
She took to Instagram and wrote,
In these times of uncertainty, let's take a moment to check on the senior citizens in our neighborhood who are by themselves. The government has strictly advised citizens above 65 to stay at home. So I believe it's our responsibility to take care of them. I would love to hear how you've helped them by using #EngageResponsibly. To know more about the #EngageResponsibly initiative, visit Engage by ITC.
Tara Sutaria has also been active on Instagram just like the other celebs and have been sharing pictures and videos of her lockdown times.
More than ever before. Senior citizens everywhere are the most vulnerable and the most at risk, and I think that we can really do our bit by helping them stay protected and stay safe.
On a professional note, Tara Sutaria has a film titled Tadap, which is slated to release this December 2020.